Recently, electrical installation work has continued to progress across the facility. Around 80% of the power and low voltage wiring in the warehouse has been completed and connected to the distribution panels inside the factory, gradually forming the overall electrical and communication network. In the cleanroom area, ceiling installation has started in sections where wiring work has already been completed. To protect the finished PVC flooring, protective mats are placed before using lifting platforms, helping prevent damage and avoid rework. In addition, a new batch of production equipment has arrived on site. Under the guidance of engineers, workers carefully unloaded, transported, and positioned the equipment according to plan, ensuring both safety and efficient site operations. As electrical works, cleanroom finishing, and equipment installation continue together, the project is steadily moving toward the commissioning stage.